Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is could. Here's a picture of a girl who could study if she would wake up. Here is could in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Could means it is used to indicate a possibility. Could. Past progressive, none. Past, could. Present progressive, none. Present, could or can. And future, could. Let's build a sentence. She could. Today, we will use the past tense. Let's build a sentence. She could, what? What could she do? She could not. Now it's a negative. Could is a verb that is very often used in the English language. Could is usually used to describe an ability that someone had in the past, often used as an auxiliary functions to express permission politely, used to express possibility, used to make requests or suggestions. Most commonly, we use could to ask a question or to explain what someone had the ability to do. Let's build a sentence. She couldn't, we put it together, what? What could she not do? She couldn't understand. Uh-oh, that's a problem. Let's build a sentence. She couldn't understand. What? What couldn't she understand? She couldn't understand English. Let's build a sentence. She couldn't understand English. Why? Why couldn't she understand English? She couldn't understand English because she didn't practice. Oh, that's important. Let's build a sentence. She couldn't understand English because she didn't practice. How? How didn't she practice? She didn't practice with her English teacher. That's me. See how we built a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.